Hi everybody, happy Saturday. It is National Bagel Day. Ah! If you are following me on Keeping It Real Cooking with Lisa on my Facebook group, I said, did you say beagle? No, bagel. It is National Bagel Day. So for Bagel Day, let's make some bagels. I would normally do these live, but yesterday I had carpal tunnel surgery. Or I should say, in 2 days, I'm having carpal tunnel surgery. So however you want to look at it, this was recorded for you so we can celebrate Bagel Day together. And since Saturday, there's no way I'm going to be able to be using this. Let's do it ahead. I'll pre-record it. It's on my YouTube channel. Did you know I have a YouTube channel? Check it out. All right, so easy peasy. The recipe is right on the back. All right, let's get an apron on, because you know it's a white shirt. All right, so put on my apron, and the recipe is right on the back, and it says we need 1.5 cups of the easy peasy bagel and pancake mix, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a cup of Greek yogurt. All right, so I'm going to double the recipe. Woo! So that's 2 cups. If my husband's listening in the other room, he'll know that I did 3 cups of yogurt. I only need 2 because 1 times 2 is 2. Woo! And I have these all perfectly measured in my 1 cup prep bowls. And they come with a silicone lid. I don't need the silicone lid. I'm going to use my 4-in-1 spatula. And I'm going to put 2 cups of my Greek yogurt. I did vanilla, Greek yogurt, and a plain, but you do you. What do you prefer? I know people that have used different flavors of Greek yogurt. It's whatever you like, okay? And then we need 1.5 cups of the easy peasy bagel mix. So I have my perfect portion scoops. They have a cup, 1/2 a cup, and a tablespoon. And it's your protein and your starch. I mean your protein and your vegetables, your starch, and then your fat to make it easier to measure. But they also are a measuring scoop. So this is a cup, and we need 1, 2, 3 cups of the mix and 2 cups of the flour. Oy vey. And this one I already had open. So 1. And Faith is just letting you know that she must be known in all live videos. So, and you can actually get this in a Better Brunch collection this month, which is kind of nice. So, all right. 2. Good thing I put on an apron, eh? 3. Okay. So all of Epicure's products are gluten-free if you're new to Epicure and new to the world. They're gluten-free, no artificial preservatives, flavorings, colorings, which is nice. All right. So now the other thing that I need is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I need 1/2 teaspoon altogether. Okay. Give that a stir. So let me get my salt. And I'm going to get my measuring spoon. I have food in the oven also. So I need 1/2 teaspoon. So I'm going to flip that over. Put my salt in there. Throw that in the sink. And we're just going to stir this right up. Now the best thing to do whenever you're making a gluten-free bread or a gluten-free dessert or gluten-free bagels, because all of Epicure's products are gluten-free, is you want to let them set for at least 20 minutes. The package says 10, but for best results, you really want to do 20. It says to use your whisk to mix the batter, but I honestly find that it's easier to use my spoon, and then I just use gloves, okay? That's what I have found is the easiest, but I make a lot of bread, so maybe I just like playing in dough. I don't know. So what we're going to do is mix this in, okay? And I have my glove on so that I'm not getting any germs into the bagel. And then what we're going to do is once I get this all done, okay, I have my Epicure bagel pan right here. I love that. It's fabulous. And you can let it sit in this pan for the 20 minutes, but what I'm going to do is actually just set it right into my, or no, I have to let it rise at 20 minutes, and then we're going to mix it again. So once I have it all mixed, okay, awesome. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're just going to let this sit for 20 minutes, and then we will finish and put them in the bagel pan. So I'll be back in 20 minutes. See you soon. And we're back. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. So what we're going to do is knead our gluten-free bagel dough just a little. Take it out of the sink. All right. And I have my corner spatula in there. So I'm just going to give it a little shake. And then it says to add more. Oh, and I put it away. So I did. All right. I put it in the cupboard. Oy vey. You just can't trust me. No, I mean you can, but all right, let me get my package out of the cupboard one-handed, which I should get used to because I'll be doing everything one-handed pretty soon, right? Oh, the joys. So I just appalled many people by doing that. All right, so I'm gonna sprinkle a little more of the bagel mix in there, and then we're going to take a little olive oil. My husband's getting supper behind the camera, so that's what you're hearing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in the oven, and then we'll come back when they come out. So but first, I just want to put all my oil, and I'm using Epicure's awesome basting brush, which is now available. I'm going to put some on the top. It doesn't usually stick to the inside. It's on the top where I find that it sticks the most. Now, this is the joyous part where you're supposed to roll it in more dough or more batter, or, you know. So I'm just going to okay, so take your bagel, and it's a little sticky, but it doesn't have the gluten in it, so it's not, you know, like your typical batter or whatever. And if you can tell by looking at my nose, I snuck a tater tot. So I have gluten nose. Eat gluten, nose turns red. All right, so I did make a double batch because I know I'm gonna have to be fending for myself for a couple days for breakfast, and I want something easy. So bagels are definitely easy. You know what I mean? Who doesn't love a good bagel? So if you're not familiar with Epicure, you can visit my website, lisabuske.epicure.com. I also have a Facebook group, a private group, and it's Keeping It Real, Cooking with Lisa. And you just need to go and send an invite, and I'll let you in. And I do a live cooking demo every Monday at 5 o'clock in my Facebook group, which is a ton of fun. And even, so this coming Monday, if you're saying, oh, but you pre-recorded this bagel thing for National Bagel Day because you were having carpal tunnel surgery and weren't going to be able to use your right hand. True story. But I also went to great lengths, and I have people that are going to be guest cooking on my Keeping It Real Cooking with Lisa page or Facebook group. Well, I am out for healing. So I'm going to jump on, introduce the person that's doing the cooking, and then they're going to take it over. I'm going to use my Epicure quarter sheet pan. It does come with a liner, but I don't really need the liner, so rather than have to wash it, I'm just gonna take that off. I'm gonna put my silicone bagel pan right here. Now, this is what makes your bagel the best, the everything bagel topper. All right, so this is your everything. Let me see if I can you guys see that? So what I'm gonna do is sprinkle some of the everything bagel topper right onto the bagels. Okay, my oven is preheated to 375. Need some more over there. All right, and we're gonna cook for 15 to 18 minutes. So we'll be back when these come out of the oven. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Let's get the bagels out of the oven. Are you ready? Oh look, I didn't close the curtain. You'll know I have a messy house. All right, so there you go. 15 minutes and we have the most delicious gluten-free everything bagels. Yum, yum. You can order yours at epicure.com. And then I just had a little left because a single batch works perfect, but I did a double. And I'm gonna cut that into thirds and use it for my egg white sandwich in the morning. So I'm multi-purposing, but I made my everything bagels, yum, yum, yum. And then I just made a big round bagel with no everything topper to make my egg white sandwich. So you can get yours by going to lisabuske.epicure.com. And if you want to book a party or join my team, let me know. Have a great day and enjoy National Bagel Day.